Hi there. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you the best beginner bundles on Amazon for new YouTubers and streamers. So let's jump right into the video. Number 1. Movo-A-Vlogger. Movo-A-Vlogger is a starter kit made for those who make videos with their cell phone. It comes with an LED light, a shotgun microphone, an extension bracket, a micro USB cable, a TRRS cable, a lightning cable, a phone clamp, one stand, and one handheld tripod. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote to start recording from a distance. This bundle is listed at $170. If that's above your budget, maybe the next one is something for you. Number 2. Amizdak Vlogging Kit. This vlogging kit contains a LED light, a mini tripod with a phone clamp, a lightning cable, a TRRS cable, a mini microphone, and last but not least, a wireless controller to start recording easily. The best part, it only costs $33. Number 3. Able Gaming Live Streaming Kit. Able Gaming's live streaming kit is perfect for live streaming on Twitch or YouTube. It includes a professional USB microphone, a 1920 by 1080p webcam with a ring light, and also a LED multicolor ring light with a clamp in the bottom. Somehow, this amazing kit costs only $80. Number 4. Tonor USB Gaming Microphone. Tonor's USB gaming microphone is suited for PC and PS4/5 streamers. It contains a condenser microphone, a boom arm, a shock mount for the microphone, a desk clip, 2 different types of pop filters, and 1 USB cable. Only for the price of $50. Coming in at number 5. Alpal BM800. BM800 is a podcast bundle made by Alpal. The bundle contains a condenser microphone, a microphone arm, a shock mount, 2 different types of pop filters, a pair of in-ear headphones, and even a live sound card. All of this for only $40. How awesome! You can find the links to these products in the description. That's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.